Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study properly English step by step. Start by deciding what skill you need most and schedule small daily sessions around that skill. Break study into focused blocks with simple goals and a short review at the end of each block. Use varied materials to keep learning active and track progress weekly so adjustments are easy and motivating. Begin each session with 5 minutes of warm-up, like reading aloud or repeating a short audio clip. Rotate focus drills, pronunciation, vocabulary and context, and timed speaking practice with feedback. Use writing to lock in new words, then self-record and compare for improvement. Keep sessions varied and purposeful so progress feels steady and enjoyable while reducing boredom. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical study tips. Quick recommendation. The book shown here, The Simple Path to Wealth, offers a refreshing way to think about goals and planning, which pairs nicely with study routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. It might be a fun detour for your personal growth. Now let's get back to the video. Select a few reliable resources and stick with them to build continuity and confidence. Combine graded reading, short podcasts, and spaced repetition for words you meet often. Make simple recordings to track progress and celebrate milestones, and adapt material difficulty as you improve to maintain optimal challenge and motivation during study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.